Това видео достига до вас благодарение на Audio-Technica.
Здравейте, приятели! Аз съм Дуди и в днешното видео съм с Ю Камбре от Audio-Technica, който ще ни даде малко повече информация за тяхната компания. Така че видеото ще бъде на английски. Започваме! Hi, thank you for participating here. So my first question is, could you tell us please about the foundation of the brand?
Yes. So Audio-Technica has established on 17th of April 1962. So actually 1 month ago we have celebrated the 62 years anniversary. Basically up 2 years after we have celebrated the historical event of 60th anniversary, where we have launched a lot of limited edition products. Our founder, it started everything with our founder Hideo Matsushita from Japan, who is the father of the current company owner, Kazuo Matsushita. So the company is in second generation at the moment. And the company started actually with phono cartridge production at that time in a small private flat in Tokyo, in Shinjuku. We continuously were growing to be a cartridge manufacturer leader at this segment. Specifically, the development of our Audio-Technica's own VM technology made us quite successful. And so it took not a long time that we have started to distribute our cartridges to worldwide areas, not only for Japan domestic. And that was the starting point in the foundation.
Thank you. On to the next question. What is the difference between the former 1962's AT and the current worldwide brand?
Well, when we started to manufacture our products, our founder had a policy, more like a policy, which is to produce and supply good sound quality for everybody, for each price category. So good sound quality, to enjoy this, should not be too expensive. It should be accessible for everybody. That was the first policy what we had. And this hasn't been changed. But on the other side, the market has changed significantly. So between 62 and now, the technological improvements, innovation has been changed. And Audio-Technica is now moving with this market demand, the user demand. Therefore, we have now not only cartridge products, but also wireless headphones, true wireless products, microphones. On the conferencing side and commercial audio, we have conference system, we have wireless systems for live sound application. So a huge, wide range of product portfolio.
Thank you. How does Audio-Technica ensure quality control and consistency across its product lineup, particularly in the realm of high-quality audio?
Yeah, so
high fidelity.
Quality control for Audio-Technica is an important topic. Not only quality control, R&D and engineering division are sitting in our headquarters in Tokyo. So they are working quite close together. And we have a strict quality standard which is applied for not just for expensive high-end products, but also for all type of products. Yeah, that we have a consistent quality control policy. And quality control for Audio-Technica is also important because we have a lot of handmade products. So not in products which is not specifically in mass production, but parts of products which has been made as a hand craftsmanship. So that would require a lot of strict quality control. As you said, we are having a strict look into this topic for a wide range of product category.
Yeah. Thank you. Could you share with us any recent technological advancements or innovations that have been integrated into Audio-Technica's flagship headphones and earphones?
Well, for overhead type headphones, what we have recently developed is this is a technology which we have integrated into the double B Limited, ATH double B Limited, the newest overhead hi-fi headphones. It's specifically a new manufacturing method of the driver unit, which is being made in-house in our factories in order to realize a more expressive, responsive audio experience. So this is a technology which we will use in further product and projects as well as the driver units. This is basically the core of a headphone product, and that we are quite proud of it, that we are able to produce these in-house in our own factories.
Thank you. For the turntable showcase at the high-end show, what specific enhancements or accessories have been added to elevate its performance for hi-fi enthusiasts?
Well, on turntables we have a wide range of a turntable lineup. We have entry-level models addressing younger demographics. We have step-up models where you can interchange the cartridges, and we have also intermediate models for more hi-fi enthusiasts as well. But I think to answer the question about the accessories is we have in Audio-Technica a huge lineup of our cartridges and replacement styli, which all you can use with our turntables. So all of our turntable models are equipped with Audio-Technica cartridges. But if an end user wants to have a step up or wants to have a different sound experience, if he is saying I want to have an upgrade, then we have a huge portfolio of the cartridges where they just can interchange their cartridges or just the style itself. In other words, if you have a record of your favorite record, you can enjoy that record multiple times with different sound quality.
Thank you. Could you share any upcoming initiatives or projects that Audio-Technica is excited about in the realm of high-end audio?
Well, the market in high-end audio is existing, and we think it will still exist. There's also different markets, like the audio market is quite huge and split in different categories. Like we have lifestyle-oriented wireless products. We have true wireless in-ears as well. However, we think that in the future that we will definitely focus in this high-end analog audio segment as well, because this is where we have our origin, we have our heritage, and our technology, and the experience in R&D. So we think that analog audio will continue to grow simply because it is a technology which requires a lot of heritage and the experience. So yeah, that's something where we are going to focus. Concrete projects, for example, we have, as I mentioned, entry, step up, intermediate turntable products, but a logical step up would be to have also a higher end turntable models, and that's something what we can consider for the future.
Thank you. For customers new to high fidelity audio, what advice or recommendations would you offer when selecting Audio-Technica products?
Yeah, first of all, we would welcome the newcomers to enter the hi-fi with Audio-Technica. I think always for the user who is quite new in hi-fi audio it's always a balance between the money, the budget you have, and they're quite uncertain what they would get, yeah? So you pay a lot of money, but to be honest, I don't know what I can get. But we are pretty certain that we can find the right balance for each budget and to have that support what you want to achieve for your hi-fi setup. So yeah, it doesn't matter if this is an expensive thing or a entry level, not so expensive hi-fi entry equipment. Yeah, we would be able to find the best choice for each budget.
That's great. So finally, what sets Audio-Technica apart in the competitive landscape of high-end audio brands, and what do you envision for the future of the company?
Well, as I mentioned, the long-lasting heritage, the experience is, I think, one big thing for Audio-Technica. So we are now 62 years in this business, and again, we are specialists in this transducer company. So everything which has to do with sound pickup or the other way around to reproduce sound, we are specialists in this field. So yeah, that's something which is outstanding compared to the competition, as I don't think that there are many of them. And yeah, and as I said, the analog audio part is something where we are going to still have a focus in the future, and yeah, hopefully that we can supply with attractive products.
Thank you. I have 3 more questions which are very interesting. Can you describe AT with 3 words?
Good sound quality, reliability, and transparency.
Very good. Which do you prefer, analog or digital source?
Well, difficult question, because both ways have their own positive sides, yeah? It depends all on how you would set up your audio source and how you would choose your peripherals and equipments, yeah? And therefore, I cannot say this is the better one or this is the worst one. It all depends on what kind of setup you will choose.
Okay, so my last question is, which song do you use to test an audio system?
Analog audio system, or it doesn't matter what?
It doesn't matter. Which song do you prefer to test with?
Mostly my first track would be mostly Vivaldi Spring.
Classical.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your time. It was a pleasure for me.
Thank you very much.
Това беше от мен, приятели. Аз бях Дуди. До следващото видео.